My name is Alexa, but I go by Lex. I'm from Michigan and I currently live in the Detroit area. With School Yoga Institute, I teach anatomy, I'm a yoga instructor, and a space holder. In my classes, I like to emphasize alignment and breath. I like to create classes that are grounding, intentional, and soulful. It's my goal to create a space where people feel held to experience their process. And when I'm not teaching or practicing, I love spending time in nature. I like reading and writing and going on adventures. I like hiking and camping, skiing, snowboarding, rock climbing. I love to dance. I love to be silly. I love to travel and try new things. I am deeply passionate about yoga, honored to be a teacher, and forever a student.